Have you noticed how we all feel a little more sluggish and sleepy during the winter months? There's actually a reason for that. In winter, your body naturally shifts into rest and repair mode. It conserves energy and focuses on internal recovery. And that's exactly what makes this season ideal for muscle growth. Whether your goal is to gain weight or build lean muscle, winter provides the perfect conditions to do it faster and more effectively. So, let's talk about exactly how you can make the most of this season to build muscle. 1. Start by fixing your diet. The first step toward gaining weight or building muscle is getting your diet right. When you're trying to bulk up, your body needs more energy and more fuel, which means you'll have to eat a bit more than usual. Here's your first tip. Slightly increase your meal portions. Whatever you're currently eating, add just a little more. A common mistake people make is assuming they already eat a lot when, in reality, they're still not consuming enough calories. So, every time you sit down to eat, tell yourself, I'll have just a bit more today. That small mental shift can make a big difference in your calorie intake and muscle gains. Also, try to eat your biggest meal before sunset. Eating your main meal earlier in the evening helps with better digestion and supports faster muscle development. 2. Eat the right foods. Next, let's talk about what to eat. Your focus should be on high-carb and high-protein foods. Two excellent choices for this season are sweet potatoes and quinoa. Have these together for breakfast. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs for long-lasting energy, while quinoa is packed with high-quality protein and fiber. This combination fuels your body, aids digestion, and speeds up recovery. Plus, sweet potatoes are widely available and inexpensive during the winter, so make them a regular part of your morning meal. 3. Boost digestion. The secret to better muscle growth. This next point is crucial. No matter how much food you eat, your muscles can only grow if your body digests and absorbs nutrients properly. Here's a simple but powerful habit. Drink 1 glass of warm water about an hour before your meal. It helps flush out your system and improves digestion. Then, have your meal an hour later. Your body will absorb nutrients much more efficiently. Better digestion means better nutrition, and better nutrition leads to faster weight and muscle gain. Follow this for 2 to 3 months, and you'll start to see real, noticeable results. Want to know how to improve your digestion system? We've made a video about it. Check it out on our channel. 4. Train the right way. Now let's move on to your workout. If you're serious about building muscle, your training approach matters just as much as your diet. During winter, focus on heavyweight, low-rep workouts. That means lifting heavier weights but doing fewer reps, around 6 to 8%. Here's why. In colder months, your body naturally stays in a repair-focused state. When you lift heavy, your muscle fibers break down more, and your body repairs them faster in this season. The result? Stronger, thicker muscles in a shorter amount of time. Whether you're training at home or in the gym, keep challenging yourself by gradually increasing the weights. Stick with this plan for a month or two, and you'll see major gains. 5. The power of sunlight. A forgotten tradition. Here's a bonus tip inspired by our elders. You've probably seen your grandparents sitting in the winter sun, enjoying their meals outside in the warm winter sun. That's not just an old habit. It's actually backed by traditional Ayurvedic wisdom. Eating at least one meal, whether breakfast or lunch, while sitting in natural sunlight can do wonders for your health. The sun's warmth helps your body produce vitamin D and boosts testosterone, both of which are essential for muscle growth, metabolism, and overall vitality. So this winter, try to eat one meal in the sunlight. It'll improve digestion, enhance your energy levels, and help you stay fit and healthy. Final words. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And if you'd like to watch more fitness and nutrition tips, check out the suggested videos appearing on your screen. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep growing.